Welcome to Seoul Incheon Airport. We are now in Terminal 1 and we are going to fly to Tokyo Narita with Ethiopian Airlines flagship, the Boeing 787. Going through the checking on this flight was very fast. And I quickly found myself airside heading to my gate. And here is our today's plane, a Boeing 787-8 built in 2015.
nace na bar miki hodiya na da shiga flight ne na kokon da ban same ki ba muna koyarwa
On the left, the beautiful business class of Ethiopian Airlines. Our economy class on this 787 is divided in 333 configuration, a classic configuration on the Boeing 787. Despite of being almost 5 years old, this cabin looks very new and fresh. The in-flight entertainment system is big and modern, nothing to envy from any other airlines. Even for such a short flight, a blanket is displayed on each seat as well as a pillow. Look at this blanket with Ethiopian Airlines logo on it. And of course, earphones are displayed on each seat.
7 zone scheduled service to Narita. The flight time to Narita will be 1 hour and 45 minutes. We'll be flying at altitude of 41,000 feet. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a non-smoking flight. Smoking is prohibited on this aircraft, including the lavatories. Tampering with the lavatory smoke detector is prohibited.
As I told you just before, the in-flight entertainment system has nothing to envy from the other airlines. It has a wide choice of movies, games, informations, musics. You can even let yourself go to watch all the Star Wars episodes.
አሁን ያቀርብላችኋል። መመሪያዎቹ ከዚህ ቀደም በራሱ ከምታውቋቸው አውሮፕላኖች የተለዩ ሊሆኑ ስለሚችሉ በጥሞና ተከታተሉ ዘንድ በትህትና እንጠይቃለን።
Ethiopian Airlines always seeks priority for the safety of its customers. We will now demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. And we're attempting the same format as we do from other aircraft that we have flown before.
ክቡራትና ክቡራን በኢትዮጵያ አየር መንገድ መብራት እንኳን ደህና መጣችሁ። Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board Ethiopian Airlines flight. የእጅ ሻንጣዎቻችሁን ከላይ በሚገኘው የእቃ ማስቀመጫ
Set your mobile phone to flight mode. For takeoff and landing, please switch all electronic devices off and stow them away.
ድንገተኛ የአየር ግፊት ለውጥ ሲደርስ ከበላያችሁ የሚገኘውን የአየር መሳቢያ ጭንብል ማስቀመጫ ተከፍቶ ጭንብሉ ይንጠለጠላል። ይህ በሚሆንበት ጊዜ ጭንብሉን በመሳብ አፍና አፍንጫችሁ ላይ ተስተካክሎ መቀመጡን ካረጋገጣችሁ በኋላ በተለመደው መንገድ መተንፈስ ይቀጥሉ። ሌሎችን
Cabin crew, please listen for departure.
Surprisingly, for such a short flight, there was a real long-haul food service. With a hot meal, a salad, some cheese, bread, dessert, even some crackers and a drink. Let me remind you that this flight lasts just 1 hour and a half. I don't regret flying Ethiopian Airlines today. The cabin, the catering, the crew, everything is perfect. Especially for such a short flight. And as time is passing very fast, we are already starting our descent, with an incredible speed of 1,137 kilometers per hour.
ክቡራትና ክቡራን መንገደኞቻችን እንኳን ደህና መጣችሁ። አሁን ጃፓን ናሪታ አርሰናል በሀገሩም ሰዓት አቆጣጠር ከምሽቱ 2 ሰዓት ነው። ለደህንነታችሁ ጥንቃቄ ሲባል ቀበታችሁን ታጠቁ የሚለውን ምልክት እስከሚጠፋ ድረስ የመቀመጫ ቀበታችሁን ለታጠቃችሁና ለተቀመጣችሁ ቆዩ እንጠይቃለን። ማንኛውንም የኤሌክትሮኒክስ መሳሪያ ለመጠቀም ሆነ ሲጃራ ለማጨስ የእንግዳ ማረፊያና የተፈቀደ ቦታ እስክትደርሱ እንድታገሱ በትህትና እንጠይቃለን። ከላይ የሚገኙትን የሻንጣ ማስቀመጫ ውስጥ ገብቶ እቃ እንዳይወድቅባችሁ እንድትጠነቀቁ እያሳሰብን ከአውሮፕላን ከመውረዳችሁ በፊት ምንም እቃ ለመርሳታችሁ እንድታረጋግጡ እናስታውሳችሁ እንወዳለን።
Thank you, goodbye. Thank you, goodbye.
Thank you, bye.
Thank you for flying with me today. I hope you enjoyed this flight report. If you did so, please put a like, leave a comment and share the video. See you very soon for a new flight report.